Hello everyone. So this is 6th of April, and as you can see that the Nifty, this was the previous day closing here, and Nifty opened very it's like flattish only, like only 30 points gap down. It stayed quite sideways till the RBI policy was there. Okay, and it was around 9:55 or 9:59 where this was announced that repo rate will remain unchanged for this time. Okay, so market took it as a very positive news. And what happened, like, it made a candle of 0.35% in under 5 minutes. Okay, so and the current VIX right now is 11.79. Okay, that's amazing because in this VIX, the candle's size, as like historically it has been happening, like it should not be more than 0.1 or 0.15 at max. Okay, but yeah, times are different. So the markets rallied from here. Okay, let's again measure the same thing. Like, let's take a midpoint somewhere here. So it's like market first came up by 0.4% and then went up 0.4%, then came down 0.2%, and then again closed somewhere around 0.2% up. So the initial trade, the delta trade which was taken, it took a very nice, it captured a very nice move here. Okay, with this candle, I had faced like around 50 point slippage here, and in this candle, I faced another 50 point slippage. Okay, both of these were really ruthless candles for me. Okay, so this was all about Nifty. Today, the best performing index was for as per me, it was Finnifty. Okay, so this is the chart of Bank Nifty, again almost on the similar lines of Nifty. Now let's see the chart of Finnifty. Okay, so it went up and then it stayed here. Okay, like this candle was there, but it was like not that fierce as much as in Nifty or Bank Nifty. So let's have a look at this India VIX. It's like continuously falling. Okay, let's have a look at a 1 year chart. All right, so let's zoom it out a bit, and yeah, so it is now closing at the lowest level in past 1 year. Let's check the chart for last 5 years. So only like 1 2 days here and 3 days here. So only for the past 3 days in the last 5 years, VIX has closed below or at 11.7975 or below. Okay, so you can see that now we are in a ultra low volatility times. Okay, and the index movement is not suggesting that. So now let's talk about the PNL. So I collected like I made a like close of 15,814 rupees, which is close to 0.8% on my capital. Okay, so let me show you the M2M chart, how it behaved throughout the day. I told you, right, like there was a 50 point slippage in both those both the candles. So here you see a down move, so this was a slippage, and here you see a down move, here also there was a slippage. Now this was a slippage on only on one lot, and this was the slippage on three lots. At this time I was totally three lots in the market. So premiums, there is no use to show because it would have closed zero only. So let's hope that the win streak continues. It has been like 3 days continuous, and like 10,000, 10,000, and 15,000. So it's a good time. That's good time in a low volatility range, that uh, that I'm making money right now. So let's see you guys on Monday because tomorrow is a holiday for Good Friday. So see you all. Have a good day. Bye bye.